remember this gem, 1985 Honda ATC. Got a little bit more work to do. Biggest thing is taking care of the plastics on the rear fender. Those are still pretty bad. I'm gonna clean her up, and I think she's going for sale. You remember the 125 that we got finished up? There she is. She's not going for sale. I'm holding on to her because she's just too fun to ride. That's the little one responsible for the crunching noises right now. That's Bear. You might have seen him before. He likes to get into stuff. And right below him is one of the fenders for the KX85. We just did a video on plastic restoration. Looks almost new. Looks a lot better than it did before. And buried behind all that stuff is the 85. My little workspace is kind of small, so I gotta make do with the space I got, but the 85, the next thing we got going on is cleaning up that rear fender, clean up the rest of the bike, and then she too is going up for sale. She's a fun one though. Took her out one day, and I remember she lifted up bad. It was a good ride. Moving over here is my little workspace. Under the plastic is the motor. Pull the cover. That is the infamous armature. The drill press is here. I gotta go get some drill bits, and I'm gonna have fun videos on drilling out that little piece so we can pull that armature, so I can finally get that motor apart, resealed, and put back together. Here again is my KX125. Did a little bit to her. Another one that I'm keeping. She's just a little beast. There's a lot of other bikes that are faster, but for tooling around and having the fun that I do. Once again, Bear. He apparently needs to be the center of attention. But there's the 300. And you saw a couple videos on my Vulcan. I did a couple more trips over the last couple weeks. Went into Texas. Decided to get some German food out in Munster. Cruised around, checked out Great Plains State Park. Of course, I went the long way all the way around. Saw some amazing things out there. And what I'm here to tell you guys about now is the next project. Got her the other day. I call all the bikes hers. I don't feel like riding a dude. This is a cool, neat little XR100. It's a 2003. Pictures aren't great because I'm really close, so there's not much room to move. She's really clean. Most everything is in really good shape. When I went to pick her up the other day, it was raining, it was muddy, but we were able to still do what we needed to do. We got her loaded up, we got her really cheap. See if I can get a better shot here. She is one that does not want to start with the kickstart. If you push start, she'll run. Unlike the little beast the 100 is. Not really much. So we're going to do some diag videos to find out exactly what's going on. Stay tuned. Got a lot more videos coming your way. The next videos to look forward to are going to be drilling out the thing in the motor for the armature and getting that motor running, getting this guy, the 85, up and ready for sale, everything else on the Yamaha, cleaning up the ATC way over there, and we'll see what we can do with this one, but stay tuned. Those are all going to be coming up in the next several weeks. In addition to that, we were looking at the Honda VTX, and I have a video coming up for starting system circuits. I also have an old starter that I replaced with an old buddy on his bike, and I'm going to show you what a bad starter looks like and why that particular one failed. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. That's how I get to bring these videos to you. They help support me in my videos, and they only cost you a click. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.